just wanted to speak for a moment on Ms. Copeland's behalf on accepting responsibility, if I may. She, in this case, as you can see, confessed before she was caught. She went to the undersheriff, told the undersheriff what she had done, gave an amount that turned out to be the approximate, very close to the approximate amount that was taken. There was no indication that she used the money for lavish things like cars and boats, luxury items. She basically used it to pay bills for her family. She pulled the money from her retirement account, paid back the money, and according to the pre-sentence report from the undersheriff, the accounts were restored without any disruption or effect to the public. She's 47 years old, no criminal history, worked at the department for 19 years. I know from my personal experience with her that she was liked and beloved there, and then since this case happened, it's my sense that many of the people that she worked there with have forgiven her, understand what happened, and have forgiven her, but she remains beloved to not only her co-workers, but I believe to her family. She's been married for 27 years, has a very strong family support. They remain intact, and they have forgiven her too. She's now convicted, however, of a felony, and she stands before this court embarrassed by what she did in a very public way.
In this case, she unlawfully converted money from the Kalamazoo County Sheriff's Department bond kiosk to her own use. Restitution has been paid in full. Let me say that what you did with the money matters little to me. You stole what was not yours. You violated the public trust. All of us who are employed by government at any level are and should be held to a much higher standard. If it were not for your agreement with the prosecutor that was worked out by your attorney that binds me to not send you to jail, I would send you to jail, not because I think that it would do anything in particular to you, but because of the message that it would send and the deterrent effect that it would have on others who are employed in a position of public trust. So you're not going to jail today, but that's because of your agreement with the prosecutor and not because of my position in this case. Let me be clear. Do not come back on a probation violation, because then I won't be bound by anything.